Okay everyone, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to buy Shiba Inu coin in 2021 using crypto.com. Alright, right now I hold 6 million Shiba Inu and I want to buy 1 million more. You find the link in the description if you don't have an account on crypto.com yet. This will give you a $25 bonus in Crow, which is crypto.com's own cryptocurrencies, which you can unlock later on. Alright, so let's do this. And also disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. This video is only for demonstration only. If you need investment advice, contact a financial advisor. And also the link in the description is an affiliate link. That means I will get a small commission if you sign up through my link. Okay, so when you have created your account, you will come to this place. In the bottom left corner, make sure that you're in the home mode by clicking on home in the bottom left corner. After that we're gonna go and click on this one, trade, and click on buy. Now we're gonna search for Shiba Inu. Just click on the search icon, search for Shiba Inu, click on that. Alright, so we're gonna use the credit card, but you can also use crypto wallet or fiat wallet if you like. In this tutorial I'm gonna focus on credit card or debit card. So now we can see that we have a fixed amount of SHIB, 7 million. So you can either take this fixed amount, or if you delete this one you can only add maximum 1 million. So I'm just gonna add 1 million, I'm gonna delete this. So I can only add 999, so it's 1 million minus 1. And after that you can go and add your credit or debit card. After that just click on this buy button. So buy 1 million SHIB. And they also had this 2.99% card fee, so you need to check this one that you understand. After that click on continue. Now you can see the amount, the rate, the fee, the method and total cost. After that just click on confirm, enter password, and just complete the security for your credit card or debit card. And make sure to not close this window while you do your security checkout if you have one for your MasterCard or Visa card. Otherwise you need to start over like that. And I'm gonna open up the window one more time. I'm gonna finish the buy. This is only for my Visa card or MasterCard. You may have some other confirmation. And now we have a SHIB purchase complete. You purchased 999,999 SHIB. Congrats. Now you can go tap anywhere to continue. You can go to accounts in the bottom menu. And we can click on this arrow next to crypto wallet. And now we can click on my Shiba Inu crypto wallet. And now we can see that I have 7,099,995 SHIB. Okay everyone, so this is how you can buy Shiba Inu on crypto.com in 2021. I hope this helped. Have an awesome day, take care and bye.